Okay, so ang mission kasi ng MRSP, no? So, we want all the experts and professionals as well and hobbyists in promoting nation building through advancement of research and of course into different fields, no? So especially the MRSP is open to all professionals and all engineering programs. So talagang kailangan nating maka-cope up sa mga bagong technologies natin kasi ang bilis ng facing, so ang daming bagong technology na pwede natin implement as well as incorporate natin sa ating mga researches at sa mga plans pa natin at mga projects po natin. So,
Okay, so good morning, afternoon, and good evening to everyone. You're here watching EduTech Insider. My name is Florence Sangrenes, and we're very lucky for today because she will be joining us here in our episode, and she is a distinguished educator with 25 years of experience in academia. She currently serves as the General Education Director at FEU Alabang, where she previously coordinated the computer engineering program. She is a licensed professional teacher with expertise in computer engineering, and she holds key leadership positions in professional organizations, including the Institute of Computer Engineers of the Philippines and the MRSP NCR chapter. Her research focuses on microcontrollers, robotics, and IoT, making her a respected figure in both academic and professional engineering communities. Let us all welcome the president of MRSP NCR chapter, Engineer Hanilet Grimaldo. Hello, ma'am.
hello, good evening everyone. Good evening, engineers and learners. It's my honor to be with you this evening.
How are you po today? Katatapos lang ng Valentine's Day.
I'm fine, I'm fine.
Oh,
Thank you.
how's your family as of the moment, ma'am? Since I know that you're so much busy handling, of course, aside from practicing your professions, and you're handling different organizations, especially you're handling one of the highest positions as well.
Actually, my family is very supportive with all the things that I am doing. So I know that they are very understanding about my path towards my work. You know, there are so many work actually, but I am very thankful that they are beside me and they support me in everything that I do.
Wow, nakaka-inspire naman yun, ma'am, na talagang sinusuportahan po kayo ng pamilya ninyo, no? In fact, very rare na um, yun nga, no? You are also, yeah, how many children do you have?
I have four.
Oh, four. So, sa sa bilang isang mother and you can still manage yung inyong profession and at the same time leading the MRSP no NCR chapter. So that's very amazing. Now, ma'am, so since currently you are the president, right, of the MRSP NCR chapter, ano ba ang gawain ng isang president as a president ng ng MRSP?
Actually, I am very thankful, no, na yung trust ng mga ibang professionals, no, binigay nila sa akin to handle the MRSP NCR chapter. And actually, this is really a challenge for me, no.
Mhm.
Although I've been to some positions with other organizations as well as in MRSP as vice president, but this time I was elected as the president. So this is another challenge for me. So I wish that I could handle the organization better.
Mukha naman talagang you can handle it kasi sa sa trust na ibinibigay ng mga board of directors and at the same time mga members, I believe they know your capacity. Ah,
Thank you, thank you.
bilang isang presidente ng MRSP NCR chapter, ano ba yung nakikita ninyong mission o anong mission meron ang MRSP?
Okay, so ang mission kasi ng MRSP, no? So, we want all the experts and professionals as well and hobbyists in promoting nation building through advancement of research and of course into different fields, no? So especially the MRSP is open to all professionals and all engineering programs as well as information technology and computer science. So therefore, we wanted all the professionals to collaborate and share their expertise, ideas, and skills with other members also, not only with professionals but also to our students.
Para po sa mga hindi nakakaalam no, na mga nanonood ngayon, ang meaning ng MRSP is Mechatronics and Robotics Society of the Philippines. Can you give us, ma'am, a brief idea on how it was built and paano ba ito nagkumalat, nagsimula sa buong sa buong Manila?
Okay, so actually, Mechatronics and Robotics Society of the Philippines, we have our national chapter.
Hmm.
Okay, so we are under the umbrella of the national chapter. So uh, the national chapter is only one of the chapters all over the Philippines. So we have different regional chapters. So for NCR, we have four districts actually. So we have for District 1, we have the Manila area. For District 2, we have Eastern Manila area. District 3, we have Pamanava area. And District 4, we have Southern Manila area. And District 4B, we have Muntiparla. So these are all our district areas wherein we wanted to reach out to all the professionals as well as the institutional members to join us, okay, and be active members because we have so many activities, we have so many reach outreach programs that is in store for them.
Oh.
And so the national chapter, the National Capital Region chapter now, would like to express our gratitude to all who supports us in the National Capital Region.
I see. May nabanggit niyo earlier, ma'am, may mga activities and may mga partnerships with institutions, with probably companies, no, who are also promoting this mechatronics or robotics mission. No? Do you have activities this coming or yung mga previous activities then?
So we have from the National Capital Region of MRSP, we have, of course, our key objectives, no, before we move on to our activities, no. So we are focusing on education and training. So we provide resources to our students and professional members to enhance their knowledge and mechatronics and robotics, and as well as in Internet of Things and of course in research. So this includes workshops, seminars, conferences, and of course webinars. And then for the research and development, so the organization is encouraging our members, no, to innovation by supporting research in cutting edge technologies related to robotics, automation, and mechatronics. Of course, we aim to improve industries like manufacturing, healthcare, and agriculture with automation and robotic solutions. So these are our focus in terms of research and development. And also for networking and collaboration. So of course, MRSP serves as a platform for professionals uh, educators and students to collaborate on project and share their ideas. So we wanted our professionals and student members to share their ideas and of course their experiences and their skills with all of our members.
Kasama po ba dun, ma'am, sa activities, halimbawa, no, since may mga contest or competitions regarding sa mga students na mahilig sa robots?
Yes
Uh,
po, that
mm,
is also part of our key objectives. No, we provide competitions, especially in robotics, in mechatronics, in Internet of Things, and in research. So we are all inviting our members, not only our members, but those who are really interested to join us in these competitions all over the Philippines.
so, sa student level, ma'am, ano ba ang limit ng age? Kahit ba high school, pwedeng sumali or college?
Uh, For district competitions, pwede po natin isama ang ating mga high school student. Although meron din po tayong part sa ating national competition na ang members po natin ay high school students. So separate din po naman yung para sa tertiary students.
I see. Okay, that's good. Tapos we also have membership pagdating sa mga professionals. Ito po ba ay walang pinipiling any profession?
Profession, yes. This is open to all actually. So, open to all professions. But of course, we are inviting yung mga engineering programs, those who are professionals from their fields, engineering fields. We have also for IT
Mhm.
and for computer science. And
Okay.
also, our members are composed also of, aside from academic institutions, so from professionals or students coming from academic institutions, we also have our members uh, with those companies, the owner of the companies, especially related to mechatronics, robotics, and IoT.
Okay, ang dami po niyan dito sa sa Laguna. Mga tech, ang tawag namin dito mga technopark,
Yes,
mga
Technopark.
yeah, microcontroller companies, something like that, no? Electronic companies as well. So, ibig sabihin, if meron silang company and then they have, let's say, 20, 30 employees or more, and they wanted na itong mga employees na to ay maging part ng ng MRSP, is it possible na probably volumes of their employees will be part of members of MRSP at the same time?
Yes, yes, sir. So they are all welcome to join and be a member of MRSP. I know very well that they can contribute to the advancement and their skills and expertise may be shared to other members also.
Okay, so this is a community naman, no? So meaning
Yes,
they can share ideas and at the same time they can learn ideas as well.
yes, correct.
Okay. What else?
So they
Yeah.
can also join our trainings, seminars, workshops, and others.
So sila mismo pwede rin mag-conduct
Yes
ng
po. Yes po. As long as they want to share their skills and expertise to our members, then they are very much welcome. And then in return, pwede rin po silang mag-join sa atin, sa mga workshops natin, sa mga seminars and trainings.
Super Mom, this year, ano-ano ba ang aasahan ng mga members? The usual activities na meron
Yes,
tayo.
we have the usual activities, no? So, gusto nating ituloy yung legacy ng MRSP, no? Na palagi tayong magbibigay ng mga webinars, free webinars, no? So, sa ating mga members.
Oh,
And our keynote speakers will be experts from their fields, may it be in mechatronics, automation, electronics, robotics, and Internet of
so meaning kahit yung mga students na nagsisimula pa lang sa kanilang mga courses, especially let's say engineering courses, pwede na silang umaten at matuto sa mga
Things.
webinars.
Tama po. So, pwede silang mag-join since this is a free webinar naman po, no? So, they can learn. as early as first year students mo sa kanilang field, no? So, ma, uh, kakakuha na po sila ng knowledge about mga fields of engineering. We have, yun nga, robotics, mechatronics, and others.
That's true. And they could receive as well certificates right after ng mga
Yeah.
seminars or webinars.
And then, yung webinars po natin, no? So, this will be monthly webinars, no? All over po sa district ng
Oh,
NCR.
so tingin ko masyadong marami ng mga nag-aabang ngayon ng mga webinars ng MRSP. So paano ba sila
Yes.
makakapag ano ma'am, update lagi o makikita nila yung updates na ano bang mga seminars na ang mga susunod na i-release ng MRSP?
Meron na po tayo this coming March, no? So, magkakaroon po tayo ng AI in classroom. And then, yung iba po, inaayos po namin yung schedules, pero marami na po tayong nakapila. So, we will keep you posted po. So, just join our FB page po, no? MRSP, NCR. Doon po tayo magpo-post ng ating mga publication materials para po sa ating mga webinar.
Tapos, if ever that they are interested, whether students sila o professionals na interested to be part of MRSP, NCR chapter. So, paano ang gagawin?
Okay, so we are very excited for our new membership fees po, no? So, para makapag-join po sila, kung gusto po nilang maging member at ma-avail po yung ating mga activities for free. So, I just would like to share po you. Yeah. So, how to be a member of MRSP? So we have new membership fees for 2025. So for our students, we have here for 1 year, you will be paying for 300. For 2 years, you have 500. For 3 years, we have 700.
So,
And we also have, yes, for our professionals, for 2 years, we have 1,500 pesos. And for institutional membership as well as companies, so we have for 3 years, this is 10,000. So this is inclusive of three professionals from their institutions.
okay.
And of course, if you are already a member and you want to be a lifetime member, so you will be paying for 8,000. That's for lifetime.
So, itong sa membership fee for students, murang-mura na, no? 300 for
Yes,
1 year.
300.
So,
And
sa
for the whole year po, marami na po siyang magigain na knowledge through webinars lang po. So, lahat madami na po yan. No? So, because every month po, meron tayong webinars. And then we also have outreach programs din po that they can join, no? Because we are providing trainings and workshops din po to our
wow,
partner institution. And they can be part of it.
grabe, panalo-panalo, estudyante pa lang.
Yes po.
So, yeah, itong QR code, ma'am, ito yung kanilang ano na sa form, tama ba?
Yes po. So, scan lang po nila yan. Mapupunta na po sila doon sa ating Google form, no, para i-fill out po nila yung mga details po about sa kanila.
I see. Okay. And then, once na na-submit na nila yung kanilang application, there will be forms as well. I mean, separate form wherein they could fill in manually ba?
Yes po. So, nandiyan din po yan pag in-scan po nila as well as yung details po ng bank accounts po natin kung saan sila
Hmm.
uh, transfer po ng kanilang
Payment.
payment.
Hmm,
Yes.
I see. Okay. And then, they will be receiving a confirmation kung
Yes, they will be receiving a confirmation as well as a certificate of membership.
may certificate agad. Student pa lang, pwede nang magkaroon ng certificate from an professional organization, right?
Yes.
And they can use that as well. In fact, I think yung mga schools, they are requiring their students to be part ng mga organizations.
Yes po, I think they have this so-called portfolio, no? So,
Yes,
so doon
portfolio.
po nila nilalagay lahat ng mga trainings and seminars po nila as well as their membership in their organization.
Yeah, correct. So as early as young adults, pwede nang mag-start umattend at maging member ng MRSP para tuloy-tuloy na. Pagdating ng graduation, they have all the portfolios, just like you said, ma'am, na papakita, and they could use that as well to their the company kung saan sila mag-work in the future, right?
Yes,
Hmm.
correct.
Very beneficial.
So that is one of our objective for our students.
That's true. That's true. And of course, para sa mga nagre-research, I believe you mentioned earlier na meron ding uh, activities for them. Like for example,
Yes,
yung pupunta tayo sa iba-ibang lugar, something like that, right? Represent ng
yes po.
kanilang
So
thesis.
MRSP also is holding ICAMERO. This is International Conferences on Automation, Mechatronics, and Robotics. So this is done yearly. Okay, so last year we are in Cebu.
Mm,
So yes, I think this year will be in Boracay. So for
wow.
those research enthusiasts, please, if you want to present your researches, no, please join us this coming September. ICAMEROG 2025 in Boracay.
Okay. You mentioned earlier na any field naman ng profession pwedeng sumali. Pero does it need kapag halimbawa may research na ganito, does it need na mayroong touch ng automation, mechatronics, or any technology related research dapat?
Yes po, for ICAMEROG, so for ICAMEROG, this is all about automation, mechatronics, and robotics. And of course,
Hmm.
uh, yung mga bagong technologies po natin. No? So, meron po itong mga iba't ibang categories, no? So, kung sa engineering part po ba kayo, so, na
Mm,
research, no? So,
okay.
ilalagay po kayo doon. So, basta you submit your research and i-evaluate naman po yun, no? So, and then ilalagay po kayo doon sa mga categories kung saan, let's say for technology, science and technology, so mga ganun.
Wow, and this will be a very good credential, no?
Yes,
Good credential ng mga researcher, ng mga professional na mayroong nagawang paper,
yes
right?
po. And this can also be published.
Yeah, okay. Oh, so uh, usually kapag ka nag-present, meron ng publication or at least there's a chance na ma-publish yung kanilang study.
Okay, so at least there's a chance for them that their researches will be published. So we will be actually ICAMELab is giving the list of published publications, no? So
Okay.
they can always submit their researches after presenting.
Wow. So ibig sabihin, mas mapapabilis ang paghahanap ng publication because of this, if especially if you are a member of MRSP, right?
Okay. So
Wow.
and all publications falls on Scopus Index. We also have our HSMET.
Hmm.
So this is another international conference, but this time this is on humanities, education, sciences, management, engineering, and technology. So we had,
Napapanood lang ko yun
yes,
last
yes.
year.
I think naka-attend po kayo dito, yes,
Yes,
and you presented also. And
correct. That's my
congratulations
first
because
time,
you,
actually.
yeah. So, yeah. So I think you won, no, for the best research for
Third,
engineering.
third
Oh,
in,
third, yeah, third
best
research. Yeah.
presenter.
Okay. And then best presenter po po. So congratulations. Ayan po. So this was held in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Okay.
Yeah.
So this coming 2025 po, this will be held in Vietnam. So we want
Wow.
I wanted to invite those research enthusiasts to be part of this conference.
Mag-prepare na hangga't maaga yung mga gustong sumali sa I Just Met 2025, right? You mentioned in Vietnam.
Yes, in Vietnam this coming November. So we will keep you posted on when to submit your paper, the acceptance of paper, and the deadlines of submissions, as
Okay.
well as in iCamerone. So iCamerone will be on the last week of September this year, and
Okay.
that is in Boracay.
And all of those can be found yung mga information sa Facebook ng
Yes,
MRS
po, MRSP.
NCR chapter, right?
Yes, po,
Even
NCR.
national, right?
Yes, even in the national chapter.
I see. Okay. And any last word, ma'am, that you would like to tell everyone who are watching right now in this interview?
Yes, thank you very much for inviting me as well here in your show. So I would like to, yes, I'm very excited now to invite you in all of our activities for MRSP NCR chapter and for all the members. No, please join us and support us. And also for those who are interested to be a member, you are very welcome. All professionals in their fields of automation, mechatronics, and robotics, even in information technology and Internet of Things, you are all welcome. And for our students, so you are going to benefit from joining, no, our organization because we focus on helping you and adding knowledge to you as well as the expertise of our professionals as well and keynote speakers to our webinars. So thank you once again. Please join also our FB page so you can be posted for all the activities and upcoming activities as well.
Wow.
And yes, thank you very much.
Wow. So, ibig sabihin, everyone, start now the plan on how you can become part of MRSP kasi sobrang dami as Ma'am Hanilet mentioned, sobrang daming mga pwedeng matutunan especially when it comes to technology and engineering dito sa MRSP. So, whether you are a student, whether you are already a professional, or whether you are a company who is involved in technology as well, or probably someone who is a leader in a community, no? Pwedeng maging member ng MRSP. So, just like Ma'am Hanilet, would like to invite you to be part of it kasi sa very small amount of membership, sobrang dami ng chances and opportunities to learn new things. Especially right now, ma'am. Uh, this is a very exciting moment kung saan may AI na. Sobrang iba ang technology way back how many years ago. And kapag napag-iwanan, we don't know kung ano ang talagang impact kapag hindi nakasabay sa technology. And I believe we will learn more new technologies sa MRSP, right?
Correct. Thank you. Yes. So,
Mm.
talagang kailangan nating maka-cope up sa mga bagong technologies natin kasi ang bilis ng facing. So, ang daming bagong technology na pwede nating implement as well as incorporate natin sa ating mga researches at sa mga plans pa natin and mga projects po natin. So, please come and join us. And not to mention, of course, Engineer Sandrenas is part of MRSP also,
Yes. Thank you, ma'am.
MRSP NCR, and he is our governor for District 1.
Yes.
So,
At
please
ako ni
come
Ma'am
and join.
Hanilet. Yeah. She's guiding me as well to manage the District 1. And I'm very thankful sa inyo, ma'am.
Thank you din po for joining us and sharing your expertise as well po sa ating organization.
All right, ma'am. Ma'am, thank you so much for giving your time with us at sa pag-share nyo ng information and knowledge when it comes to this. And I believe our audience will be very more excited na maging part ng MRSP. Thank you again, ma'am.
Thank
You
you
have
po. Thank you very much for having me po.
okay po. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Bye. Thank you po.